How can my child prepare for their GCSEs 2026 during Easter? The most effective way to boost your child's exam preparation is by enrolling them in our GCSE Easter Revision Course 2026, a focused, online program covering maths, English and science taught live in small group sessions. We cover all topics tested in GCSE Maths, English and science exams. We break down exam techniques step by step. And we give every student a personalised Easter revision plan that actually works. Each session includes real exam practice, timed questions, and instant feedback, so your child knows exactly how to improve and where to focus. The course runs from the 30th of March to the 10th of April, and spaces fill up quickly every year. Give your child clarity, confidence, and a stronger chance to score an 8 or 9 this summer. Book your child's place in the GCSE Easter Revision Course 2026 today